today, guys, we found something really weird. It's my first video. It's actually our first video, and we found something really weird in our driveway. So let's show you that.
And hello, my name is Grace.
And this is Grace, yes. So today we found
A dead
a
rabbit.
bunny, a rabbit in our driveway.
And it's dead.
In our driveway.
That's
So
weird.
yeah, and then we have some bees and a lot of 4 chickens actually. So I'm going to show you those chickens. Show you them.
Didn't we only show you?
No, we didn't show them chickens. Okay, so here's the chickens. Oh, I'm going to almost step on some stuff. Okay, I'm going to show you these chickens. So the chickens, this one's chocolate. One of these gold ones is popcorn, and then the 2 other ones we don't know yet because we just kind of moved here. And then this hole has a rat in it. Let's see if we can get a bit closer. There's a rat in there. He also sneaks in this chicken thing and gets their food. So yeah, and then there's a little painting of our chickens. Little chickens. So here, the coop.
Are so cute.
Lots of other stuff that we don't need to talk about. So like there's garden and chickens and more chickens and another chicken and another chicken.
I'm not chicken.
And then there's over here is a van, I guess.
It's my
van.
dad's.
And then there's the taps and little kale and stuff, and then a garden in the back, and then lots of pretty flowers. So that's our chicken coop.